The origin of the physical universe. Having just read the end of the story first, we now move to the beginning. The first 11 chapters of the Bible, Genesis 1 through 11:32, is the origins period of the 12 Bible periods. It extends for about 2,100 years, from almost 4,200 BC to just about 2,100 BC by Genesis 12 and the second time period. Read number 2, Genesis 1:1 through 2:4a. The Bible begins with "in the beginning," and the story ends with "forever and ever" with Revelation 22:5. We have a full account of all that God wants us to know in between, just as 2 Timothy 3 verses 16 and 17 tells us. This is the account of God creating everything in the first 6 solar days by merely speaking it into existence and resting on the 7th. This is what the writer to the Hebrews says in chapter 11 and verse 3 of his book. By faith we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what is visible. This actually makes perfect sense, as these two things are now known. First, matter is not and cannot be eternal, and had to have had an origin. And second, matter cannot create itself. What other option is left but that there had to have been an all-powerful, all-knowing, and all-wise creator to have made it all in the beginning? Further, it is now also understood that according to general relativity, space, time, energy, and matter all had to have come into existence in the very same instant. This is actually what the very first verse of the Bible tells us. In the beginning, time, God created, source of energy, the heavens, space, and the earth, matter. Coincidence? I think not. If anyone has a problem believing this account, I do not need to defend it. I would refer you to the Institute for Creation Research at icr.org and their Acts and Facts magazine, and to creation.com and their excellent Creation magazine, as well as to Answers in Genesis at answersingenesis.org and their Answers magazine. These 3 organizations are filled with PhDs in their respective and related fields, nearly all of which were educated in evolutionary theory to earn their degrees, but later became creationists when they re-examined the very same evidence their own professors used to propagandize them into evolutionists. We've nothing to fear from science. Rightly understood, evidence and reason stand squarely with us and young Earth creation. Once you know the facts, you will realize that evolution never happened, for the one very simple reason that real science rather clearly demonstrates that evolution cannot happen. Really. It's what the book is all about. God bless you.